Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this curly messy bun updo in just a few minutes. I've started by curling the hair, but this can be done on straight hair too. And I'm just going to divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears and clip it out of the way on both sides. Divide the remaining hair in half straight across. And all I'm simply going to do is tie that top half into a knot. So wrap it around your fingers to create a loop and then pull the ends through. Hold on to the knot to either side and stretch it out. Hold to the head and secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to do the same steps on the bottom of the hair, so create your knot. Use your fingers to stretch it out to match the top one and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Add some dry texture spray all over those knots. I'll pop the ones I'm using in the description below. Then really pinch and pull every loop and twist of this hairstyle apart for some more texture and volume. Then pinch and pull the crown of the head. Release the side sections down, and I've sectioned off a little piece to frame the face. I bring the rest of the hair back to the side of the bun and secure with a couple of pins. Then repeat on the opposite side. So leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Pin the hair to the side of the bun. And you can leave the curls hanging down, or if they're a bit too long like my client, you can just position them where they look best. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.